ASNT AMFL Level 3 Refresher Course Online URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Welcome to URGS International. Are you an experienced magnetic flux leakage professional preparing to renew, revalidate, or strengthen your ASNT MFL Level 3 knowledge? Our ASNT MFL Level 3 Refresher course is specifically designed to provide focused technical revision, reinforce Level 3 responsibilities, and enhance examination readiness through structured and practical online learning. Let us explore how this course can help you maintain competence and advance your career in non-destructive testing. Why magnetic flux leakage testing is important. Magnetic flux leakage, commonly known as MFL, is one of the most effective electromagnetic inspection methods used for detecting corrosion, wall loss, and discontinuities in ferromagnetic materials. MFL technology is widely applied in oil and gas industries, storage tank inspection, pipeline integrity assessment, pressure vessels, heat exchangers, manufacturing industries, power plants, asset integrity management. Reliable MFL technologies contributes significantly to safety, reliability, and asset life extension. Course overview. This online refresher program is designed for experienced level 2 and level 3 personnel seeking to strengthen technical competence and examination confidence. The course focuses on principles and theory, flux leakage behavior, DC and AC MFL technologies, equipment and sensors, standardization requirements, interpretation and evaluation, defect characterization, level 3 responsibilities. Principles and theory. Participants review the fundamentals of magnetic flux leakage testing. Topics include magnetic field behavior, flux leakage principles, Foster and related theories, finite element methods, DC flux leakage, AC flux leakage techniques. Understanding these principles enables inspectors to evaluate discontinuities accurately and improve inspection reliability. Equipment and materials. Now, this model provides knowledge about MFL detectors, coils and testing elements, readout systems, sensor selection, instrument design considerations, performance limitations, equipment configurations. Participants learn how proper equipment selection affects inspection accuracy and repeatability. Now, techniques and standardization. Let us see this. Understanding inspection techniques is essential for level 3 professionals. This section covers factors influencing technique selection, coupling effects, magnetic field strength, inspection conditions, comparison of various MFL techniques, standardization requirements, process consistency and repeatability. These topics help ensure reliable and effective inspections. Now, interpretation and evaluation. A critical responsibility of level 3 personnel is accurate interpretation. Participants review flaw detection principles, signal analysis, defect characterization, process control evaluation, assessment of component condition, interpretation methodologies. These skills enhance technical judgment and support asset integrity decisions. Now let us see course standards and procedures. The course helps professionals remain familiar with applicable standards, inspection procedures, evaluation requirements, documentation practices, quality assurance requirements. Maintaining knowledge of standards is essential for level 3 responsibilities and compliance. Now, recommended references. Important study references include the MFL Compendium, ASNT Questions and Answers Book, MFL, NDT Handbook, Volume 5, Electromagnetic Testing, ASNT Questions and Answer Book, ET, NDT Handbook Volume 8, Magnetic Particle Testing, 3rd and 4th editions. These publications provide valuable support for revision and exam preparation. Who should attend? This course is ideal for ASNT MFL Level 3 candidates, NDT engineers and technicians, QA/QC professionals, mechanical and production engineers, metallurgists, asset integrity engineers, RBI inspectors, managers and supervisors. No prerequisites are required to attend. However, ASNT certification eligibility depends upon the education and experience requirements specified by ASNT. Now, course schedule. Course dates 22nd July to 28th July 2026. evening batches every month throughout the year. Duration 40 hours. Training mode. This training is provided online through Zoom or MS Team. Class timings 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. IST India time. Daily 3 hours classes. Convenient evening classes make learning accessible for working professionals worldwide. Okay, that's why we keep evening classes, so that professionals worldwide could join after their working hours. Now, why choose URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited? At URGS International, we are committed to delivering world-class technical training and professional development. Our strengths include experienced instructors, practical and exam-focused approach, interactive online sessions, international standards-based training, technical support and guidance, enhanced confidence and competence. At last conclusion, so if you are preparing for HNT, MFL Level 3 renewal or revalidation or preparatory classes, this refresher course provides the focused learning required to strengthen your technical expertise and examination readiness. Enroll today with URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile/WhatsApp number is +91 7359 458455. Please contact us through WhatsApp for any query. Strengthen your knowledge, enhance your confidence, advance your career. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more NDT training and engineering solutions from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Thank you.